Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day on this nice, fine Sunday evening. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about something very, very important, and in my opinion, is a make or break deal. In my opinion, no AMG should be spec'd out without this option. Honestly, it should be standard on all AMG vehicles. I think the trend is kind of going towards that now, so future AMGs don't really have to worry about this, but we'll see. So the important thing that I was talking about is right over here. Alright guys, so that button that I was talking about is right over here. Yep, so it's the AMG performance exhaust system. If you're thinking about getting a C43 or any Mercedes-AMG product, you have to get the AMG performance exhaust system. Yes, it's an extra $1,300, but I think it's so worth it because when I was buying this car, or when I was in the market for a C43, I drove a C43 without the AMG performance exhaust, and it didn't sound bad, but I knew something was missing, especially because I'm a very big sound guy. If the cars don't really sound good, then it's like a deal breaker for me. But then I heard a C43 with the AMG performance exhaust system. Then I was like, yup, it has to have the AMG performance exhaust system. Without it, then I don't want the car. But that's just me. I know some people don't really care about exhaust notes and like the way their car sounds. I guess that's why people drive BMWs. No, I'm kidding. So basically, I'm gonna compare the sound of the car with the valves open and the valves closed. So when the valves are closed, it's not going to sound exactly like what a C43 would sound without the AMG performance exhaust system, but I think it'll be closer, okay? Don't go crazy in the comments. So this is what the car sounds like with the valves closed, aka without the performance exhaust system. It's still really funny though how the car pops with the valves closed is funny. And this is what the car sounds like with the valves open. Okay, yeah, I know it's Sunday. I'm not going to do it too much because there's people that live down there, so I'm not trying to be extra obnoxious or anything. But that was with just the revs, so I'm actually just going to drive around in this parking lot with the valves open and with the valves closed, so that way you guys can hear it under load. So if you guys are looking to get a new Mercedes-AMG car or a used one, it doesn't matter. You guys have to get the AMG performance exhaust system. But it's whatever, that's just my opinion. In my opinion, it was that if the C43 didn't have the AMG performance exhaust system, I wouldn't have bought it. That's just how important sound is to me. Obviously, if you're not that much of a sound guy, then it doesn't matter. But actually, it was still kind of funny how the car popped even when the valves were closed. It's hilarious. That's the magic of a tune. Okay, so for those of you that don't know, my car is tuned by Eurocharged, and I do have like mild pops and bangs on the car. When the car was stock, but with the AMG performance exhaust system, when I would rev, I think it would pop like very subtly. It wasn't as loud as it is now, but I still just kind of find it funny how with the valves closed, it was still popping and stuff. Like instead of being like pop, 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 It was more like bang, bang, bang. That's the beauty of getting tunes. You can like customize how aggressive you want the pops and bangs to be. So if you guys are looking for a tune, make sure to hit me up on Instagram. I'll give you guys a link. But I should probably say this now. I've had the Eurocharged tune on my car since like, I want to say November of 2019. It is currently June of 2020. Now I am sponsored by Eurocharged and stuff. Yay, I'm happy about that. And maybe eventually I'll become like some kind of dealer for Eurocharged and stuff. But that's a thing for the future. For those of you that are like, oh, he always shouts out Eurocharged because he makes money off of it. Yeah, that's true. I do make money off of it. But I've had their tune on my car for months before they started sponsoring me. Like the sponsorship that I got from them was very recent. I've had their tune on my car for a very long time before they even considered sponsoring me. So I'm just trying to say that the Eurocharged tune is reliable. I've had no problems with it at all. But yeah, don't be worried. I wouldn't be plugging a bad product. That's not who I am. I wouldn't plug something for money unless if it's a good product. But if you guys do want the Eurocharged tune, make sure to hit me up on Instagram. Give me a DM and say like, hey dude, I saw your YouTube video. I want the Eurocharged tune. Hit me up with that 25% discount. It's a win situation for you and it's a win situation for me because you'll be getting the same tune I have, but instead of paying full price for it like I did, I'll be giving you guys 25% off. So that's what it was like outside of the cabin. Let me show you what it sounds like inside the cabin. First things first, safety. Thank you, Jarvis. Sport Plus, manual, and we're gonna do it with the valves open right now. So, here we go. And now we're gonna do it with the valves closed. Look at how quiet it is. Oh my God, just listen. Honestly, it's a little bit embarrassing how quiet this car is with the valves closed, and it's not obnoxious enough for me. There we go. The sound's back. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Corazon. Don't finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. So right line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the nightsticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go. It's only up from